Hey YouTube, today we are going to make fried cauliflower. It's one of the easiest and most delicious dish to make, and you don't need much ingredients. It requires only the basic ingredients, and cauliflower is a very healthy vegetable. It is mostly used in keto diet and other important diets in today's time. So let's get started. So for making this fried cauliflower, we are going to take cauliflower, and this cauliflower is actually a medium size cauliflower. So I chopped only the half of the cauliflower, and then I chopped it into small to medium size pieces. It is on your preference, whatever you like. And then you need for ingredients salt as per taste, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger and garlic paste, and 2 chopped green chilies. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to thoroughly wash the cauliflower. After chopping it, you need to wash it thoroughly. Then take a pan and put 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in it, and then you're going to put this cauliflower. Before putting the cauliflower in the pan, you should make sure that there is no water in the cauliflower. You should thoroughly rinse it. There shouldn't be any water, otherwise it will ruin your dish. So it should be fully rinsed, and then in the heated up oil you can add the cauliflower, and then we will add salt and then we are going to mix it. Then after mixing this salt in the cauliflower, we are going to add the chopped green chilies, and we are going to fry it on high to medium flame, and keep stirring it until the color of the cauliflower starts changing. That is, it should turn brown, light brown, which is a sign that the cauliflower is done. And you can even check with your fingers whether it is thoroughly cooked or not. Then we are going to set the cauliflower aside, and in the oil we are going to add 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger and garlic paste. We are going to saute it for 30 seconds, and then we are going to mix the ginger and garlic paste with the cauliflower. And after thoroughly mixing the ginger and garlic paste, we are going to reduce the flame to minimum, or you can even switch off your stove completely. And then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and then we are going to mix it thoroughly. So after mixing it thoroughly, this is how it looks like, and this is it. That is, your fried cauliflower is ready. So do try this. It turns out to be very yummy dish and very healthy at the same time. So please guys, do try this and like the video. Please subscribe us and do press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you so much for watching.